In today's video, let me show you how to search by industries in Glassdoor. If you have a certain industry in mind, you can add in the industry filter so that only relevant searches pop up. What you can do is head over to the job section, and inside of this, make sure you add in your job title as well as your preferred location. Once you made that search, you'll be able to see this icon, which is the filters icon, which you can apply. Once you click on it, and if you scroll down a bit, you can exactly see the section called industries. This way, for example, if you select a particular industry, it is only going to show you the jobs that are available in this particular industry. You do still have the option of adding in the all industries option, but if you want to be specific and want to go inside of a particular industry, you can just select it and the filter will be applied. Now, apart from adding in industries inside of jobs, if you're trying to look at the salary range inside of a particular industry, you can also do that by heading over to the salary section, adding your job title as well as your location. And right here, as you can see, you have the option of selecting your industry so that you can get a more accurate pay range depending upon where you want to work in. So whether you're trying to search jobs inside of a particular industry or trying to look at these salaries, you can do them both right inside of Glassdoor. If this guide video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.